Here we have a 21 plate BMW X5 X-Drive 45e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £12,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. We also have the carbon fibre performance kit. You may be able to work out the detail just there on the bonnet. We also have 22-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. Got the Drive It grey metallic paintwork with colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass from the rear passengers. Roof rails up top. We also have the rear spoiler as well, looking nice and aggressive. This vehicle comes with 360-degree cameras, front and rear parking sensors, and a visual display inside. Round to the back, you'll find the power-operated tailgate. We do have the dual exit exhaust, again, carbon fibre on the diffuser. We also have air suspension on this vehicle, so it can raise or lower depending on the drive mode. It's currently set on the lowest setting. Taking a look at the interior quickly, you'll find leather seats inside of here. We have the M Sport style seat belts. We do also have the foldable armrest in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. Electric windows on the doors. Same leather seats for the front. Both front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory functions, and they can both be heated. And there's a quick look at both of them. We've got the Harman Kardon speakers, electric mirrors, and electric windows, child lock for the rear, automatic lights down there, multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside and you'll find digital dashboard in front of us, multifunctional steering wheel. Pop a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up. We do have the speedometer and also the adaptive cruise control buttons here on the left, along with the phone connectivity volume buttons on the right. Automatic wipers just there, and we do also have the high beam assist on the left, along with the stalk down there for the steering wheel, as it is electrically adjustable. Main infotainment screen currently showing the sat nav. If any lights or screens are flickering, it's only the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Plenty of different features on here you would have seen on the photos though. You can go through them with the buttons down here. So we've got the media options. We also have phone connectivity for phone calls, a range of apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We do have the intelligent safety, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down we also have the dual zone climate control for the front, ice cold air conditioning. We do have heated seats as well either side, all working as it should do. Again, further down you'll find we have cup holders, we have some storage space, and the wireless phone charging underneath there as well. Just close that again like so. We then have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes paired up with the air suspension, so you can use this little switch here to manually change the height of the vehicle, or you can use the drive modes, and as you can see you can easily switch through the different drive modes. It also changes the height of the vehicle. Going into reverse, you'll find the reverse camera. We also have the 360 view on the right, but we can also have a 3D view of the vehicle. As you can see, we go all the way around the vehicle, 360 degrees. And as we make our way around, you'll find all the camera angles work just as you would expect them to. So going back into park then, we also have the leather armrest just here, digital dashboard in front of us, heads-up display, and that is all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching.